align the pelvis, working out the piriformis muscle. We're moving on to a major exercise. I call it a gold bullion, because this exercise can align your pelvis in an hour. However, it is important to remember that this will not be a long-term effect if you do not perform the complex of other exercises of our course. If you have varicose veins that are more pronounced on your left or right leg, this exercise is very important for you because it relieves the strain on varicose vessels and improves blood flow.
То это очень важное для вас упражнение, потому что оно будет в том числе восстанавливать кровоток и снимать нагрузку с сосудов, да, то есть варикозных вен.
This exercise also improves the blood circulation of the pelvic organs. That is why this exercise is very important. We take ourselves by the ankle, near the heel, and we put the leg on the opposite.
И перекидываем на бедро противоположное нашу ножку. Да. То есть
you need to move a little to the right.
Вот, чтобы именно щиколотка выровняла коврик.
Put the foot a little closer to ourselves. Do not hold your leg, and make sure it is not on your knee. It should be pressed against your thigh.
И мы берем, отклоняемся.
We are tilting to the right.
В сторону вправо, отклон.
Lift the buttock off the floor and lean to the right. When you take a video of yourself, please show yourself with an inclination.
Отклоняемся назад и берем на середину ягодицы. То есть берем просто вот на 4 части, да, если вы
When you divide the gluteus into 4 parts, you will find the middle where the needed point is located. Here we have a sciatic tubercle, a hole in a piriformis muscle. This is where the piriformis muscle is attached. It often pinches the sciatic nerve. You need to take a tennis ball, sit on it, and lift your right buttock.
Садимся на мячик, садимся, садимся. Отрываем правую ягодицу.
You can move a little higher, lower, right or left to find the most painful point. Now let's just relax as much as possible and go deep with the ball at that point.
В эту точку, да, то есть прям расслабляемся, глубоко заходим.
Now our task is to strain the buttock, like we're trying to push the ball out.
Как будто мы пытаемся вытолкнуть мячик из-под ягодицы. То есть прям ягодица должна быть каменная.
Diana has an authentic build, so during the exercise, the leg may become numb. If you feel that way, you have to stop doing the exercise. Otherwise, then there will be residual numbness, which of course will go away soon. But you should not bring yourself to such a state. We are really straining the buttock, like we are trying to push the ball out. When you take the video, I need to see that you are straining your buttocks. If you are good at straining your buttocks, you should even lift up. Diana, keep holding. Hold, don't let go. Now we are chilling. Diana, has the pain lessened? Yeah. Is there any more pain? Yes. If there is still pain, then we're back to that point. Diana's already tired because your hands are tense. You can bend on your elbows a little bit, so you don't have to do the exercises with your elbows straight. You can get on your elbows, so you can do the exercise in this position. It'll be less effective, but if you get tired, you can change your position. Take a little rest. We'll go back to a more effective pose. We find the most painful point, we go deep into it, we relax as much as possible, and we push the buttocks really hard, trying to push the tennis ball out.
мяч из-под ягодицы.
We hold this position for a minute.
Прям держим, не отпускаем.
The hand will hurt and get tired. You have to endure. We've come on this course for health. You can lean back on the sofa or the wall.
Можно сделать опору о диван.
You can put your elbows on the sofa to make it easier.
Можете локти
You can do the exercise by leaning back on the sofa.
То есть можно таким
Relax.
образом выполнять упражнение.
Is the pain gone? Gone.
Боль ушла?
We are resting a little?
Ушла.
I know you are tired.
Вижу, что устали.
After we'll rest, we need to find a few more points.
И нам нужно
The exercise on only one side of the buttock must be completed in at least 30 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes is not sufficient for the exercise. This exercise must be performed every 3 days. Therefore, reduce the number of days until daily performance. I told you about this in the previous video. The exercise should be performed after 3 days due to the resulting swelling, after which you can proceed to daily exercises. It takes at least a month to work out this exercise. If you have strong pelvic deflection or a lacerated sciatic nerve, you must perform the exercise within a month and then switch to preventive treatment up to once a week. Looking for the next point. Lean in, put the ball in the middle of the buttock. Diana put in a little high, but there are also the trigger points. We'll go up, down, right to the left to find the pain point. Then we just relax as much as we can. Go deep into that point, really straining your buttocks, as if we are trying to push a tennis ball out. You should have a tennis ball, but if you don't have one or forgot it somewhere, take an apple, an onion, anything you like, as long as it's round.
Но вам нужно сделать упражнение. Берите в ход яблоко, берите в ход луковицу, все, что вам душе угодно, круглого диаметра.
Relaxing. Diana, is there any pain left? Yes. Just hit the point, relax, and keep your buttocks tight. If your leg goes numb, you stop the exercise. It is very important. You clamp, and you hold, and you don't let go of the ball. You can give yourself a rest, exercise on your elbows, or lean on some kind of support. But this exercise is very important to do. Relax. Easier? Yeah? So we work on the muscles. Someone's got these muscles too tight to touch. Before you do this exercise, I suggest you work on this area.
Прежде чем вы делаете упражнение, я советую вам перед выполнением проработать вот эту вот область.
Diana, turn around, please. We have a dimple between the pectoral muscle and the shoulder. There is a bone on the arm that needs to be massaged.
Вот здесь вот на самой руке есть
If you work well on the shoulder joint area.
Есть волшебство. То есть если вы хорошенько проработаете
Use your hand bones to work this area.
То есть хорошенько разомнете, вот прям костяшками, вот прям косточками, да, прям хорошенько под вот эту вот косточку вы зайдете, хорошенько промассируете, проработаете вот эту часть.
It is important to massage this area well to relax the buttocks and the lower back. Massage of the humerus joints very well relaxes the gluteus muscles. Diana, try it yourself. We unfold the fist like this, and we massage the area under the bone.
Это низко, прям под кость. Вот тут у нас косточка, и прям под косточку мы делаем. То есть вот так вот, да, с разворотом.
This is the kind of massage movement that we are working on in this area. We'll also massage the other shoulder.
Прям хорошенько. И с другой стороны.
So before you do the exercise with the ball, rub your shoulders really hard and then do it. It'll be a lot easier. That's the magic. By the way, try sitting on your buttocks, feeling the pain, then massaging your shoulders, and trying to sit down again. You'll notice the difference right away. Be healthy.